Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you are unable to add or create new cells in the Microsoft Excel application. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to want to go ahead and just tap on the Control A key or select the worksheet highlight option by selecting the little arrow in the top left corner of the worksheet. And you want to now go select the Home tab and then select Format on the far right side. And now select Format Cells at the bottom of that drop down menu. Select the Protection tab, and if Locked is currently checkmarked here, you want to uncheck that. So just select the square one time to uncheck that, and then select OK, and now see if that has resolved your issue. Another thing, if you might have merged cells, so let's say both of these cells are merged here, you might want to consider unmerging them. So basically, again, on the Home tab, you want to go now select Merge and Center and click the little drop down, select Unmerged Cells. You may also need to go underneath the View tab, and if you notice the panels are frozen, so if maybe you cannot modify them, you want to select whatever cells you're having the issue with, and then select the Freeze Panes button. Select Unfreeze Panes, unlock all rows and columns to scroll through the entire worksheet. Select that, and there you go, guys. That should be hopefully about it. And another thing you can try, if you go back to the Home tab, select the Theme Color paint bucket right here, the fill color. Click inside the little drop down arrow next to that and select No Fill. Another thing you can try, again on the Home tab, would be to go right next to where the eraser is. It says Clear on the far right side of the top ribbon bar. Click inside the little drop down arrow next to that and then select Clear All. And now see if that has resolved your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.